Does your partner snore? Oh, right? And you're so tired right now because of that. Because snoring, what you think about snoring, it's like real gentle, like the Muppets. That's what in your head when you're growing up. Is that what anyone does? Because usually there's just an angry kind of growl of the snore that's very threatening. It's like a demon. And then the worst part is it's that burst at the end that feels like it's going to grab you, so you get the right at the end. And it's like so aggressive, like there's nothing sexual about that. I feel like if you are hoping to improve your sex life and your marriage, separate rooms, maybe separate houses? I don't know. And then you meet up. I'm on to something.